Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun, and by far the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined, carries a ton of fascinating facts to be discovered. Buckle up as we dive into the colossal gas giant Jupiter. Number 1. Gigantic size and mass. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles, 139,822 kilometers, more than 11 times that of Earth. Its mass is approximately 318 times greater than Earth's, and its volume is over 1,300 times that of our planet. The immense size and mass of Jupiter make up about 70% of the total mass of all the planets in our solar system combined. Number 2. Powerful magnetic field. Jupiter boasts an incredibly strong magnetic field, around 14 times more powerful than Earth's. This magnetic field is generated by the planet's rapid rotation and the presence of metallic hydrogen in its interior. Jupiter's magnetosphere is so vast that it extends well beyond the orbit of its largest moon, Ganymede, making it the largest planetary magnetosphere in our solar system. Number 3. Rapid rotation. Jupiter is a fast spinner, completing a full rotation on its axis in about 9.9 hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to be noticeably oblate, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. The combination of its rapid rotation and massive size contributes to the flattening effect, making Jupiter an oblate spheroid. Number 4. Jupiter's moons. Jupiter has an extensive family of moons, with over 80 known natural satellites. The 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610 and are among the most fascinating objects in our solar system. Each of these moons has unique characteristics, including volcanic activity on Io, a subsurface ocean on Europa, and being the largest moon in the solar system, Ganymede. Number 5. The Great Red Spot. Jupiter is renowned for its Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for at least 350 years and possibly much longer. This anticyclonic storm is larger than Earth itself, with winds reaching speeds of about 270 miles per hour, 430 kilometers per hour. The exact cause of the Great Red Spot's longevity is not fully understood, but it remains one of the most prominent features on Jupiter's surface. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, stands as an enigmatic celestial body in our solar system. Uranus presents a captivating puzzle for astronomers. Buckle up as we discover the sideways planet. Number 1. Discovery. Uranus was the first planet discovered with a telescope. German-born British astronomer Sir William Herschel observed it on March 13, 1781. Initially, he thought he had discovered a comet, but further observations confirmed it as a new planet. Number 2. Unique tilt and rotation. Uranus is distinct among the planets in our solar system due to its extreme axial tilt. While most planets rotate on an axis that is roughly perpendicular to their orbital plane, Uranus is tilted at an angle of about 98 degrees. This means that the planet essentially rolls on its side as it orbits the Sun. This extreme tilt is believed to have resulted from a massive collision with a protoplanet early in its formation. Number 3. Mysterious interior composition. The composition of Uranus's interior is not well understood, but it is thought to consist of a small rocky core surrounded by a thick layer of icy and rocky materials, and topped with an atmosphere primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Unlike Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus does not exhibit a significant internal heat source, and the exact nature of its internal structure remains a subject of scientific investigation. Number 4. Extreme seasons. Due to its extreme axial tilt, Uranus experiences very unusual and prolonged seasons. Each pole is in darkness for about 42 Earth years, followed by a period of continuous sunlight lasting another 42 years. During the equinoxes, when Uranus is side-on to the Sun, the entire planet experiences a day and night cycle similar to Earth's. The last equinox occurred in 2007, and the next one is expected around 2049. Number 5. Ring system and moons. Uranus has a system of rings, although they are much fainter and less prominent than the well-known rings of Saturn. The planet has 13 known rings, and they were first discovered in 1977 by astronomers using data from the Kuiper Airborne Observatory. Uranus is also orbited by 27 known moons. The 5 largest moons are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon, each of which has unique geological features, including cliffs, canyons, and icy plains. Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun, is an ice giant. Known for its powerful winds and the captivating blue atmosphere, Neptune's enigmatic features include the Great Dark Spot and a faint ring system. Buckle up as we discover the blue giant Neptune. Number 1. Distant giant. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is classified as an ice giant, and its average distance from the Sun is about 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers, making it the most distant of the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, in our solar system. Number 2. Blue atmosphere. Neptune's atmosphere is composed primarily of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The presence of methane gives Neptune its distinct blue color. The methane in the atmosphere absorbs red light, reflecting blue light back into space. This atmospheric composition sets Neptune apart from its gas giant counterparts, Jupiter and Saturn. Number 3. Powerful winds. Neptune boasts some of the most powerful winds in the solar system. Wind speeds on Neptune can reach up to 1,200 miles per hour, 1,930 kilometers per hour. These high-velocity winds are believed to be driven by the planet's internal heat, as well as its fast rotation, completing a full rotation roughly every 16 hours. Number 4. Great Dark Spot. Similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Neptune has a feature known as the Great Dark Spot. It's a massive storm system that was first observed by the Voyager 2 spacecraft during its flyby in 1989. The storm is an anticyclonic system, meaning it rotates counterclockwise, and it has been compared to Jupiter's Great Red Spot in terms of its size and intensity. Number 5. Ring System. Neptune has a faint ring system, which was discovered in 1984 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. Unlike Saturn's prominent ring system, Neptune's rings are relatively faint and difficult to observe from Earth. The rings are composed of small, dark particles and are thought to be relatively young compared to the age of the solar system. There are 5 main rings: Gale, Leverrier, Lassell, Arago, and Adams, named after astronomers who made significant contributions to the understanding of Neptune. Thank you for joining us on this space adventure. There's a universe of exploration ahead. Stay tuned and subscribe for new videos featuring Space 5.